Here's how to use PowerToys Image Resizer to resize images fast and easy. You start by opening PowerToys from the system tray, then click the settings icon and the main PowerToys window opens. On the left side, you see a section called File Management, and inside that list you click Image Resizer. At the top of this page, you turn on the switch so the resize option shows up when you right-click an image in File Explorer. This simple setup step makes the tool ready anytime you need it. After the tool is on, you look at the preset sizes so they match what you need. These presets have names like small, medium, large, and phone, and each one shows the size it will try to fit the picture into. Picking one of these gives you a quick way to change images without doing any math. If a size is close but not quite right, you click the little pencil next to it. There, you change the width, height, units, and how the picture fits. Fit keeps the whole picture inside the box, fill cuts off the edges to match the shape, and stretch forces it into the size even if it bends the picture a bit. Sometimes the built-in sizes do not work for a project, so you add your own. You click Add New Size, type a name, and enter the width and height you want. You pick the units and the fit mode the same way as before. This lets you build sizes that fit your own use, from very small web pictures to bigger prints. Right below the sizes, you see a group of extra options that look more advanced. Here, the tool talks about things like JPEG quality, PNG interlacing, and TIFF compression. For normal use, you do not need to change any of this. Leaving these settings on their defaults keeps the pictures looking good and keeps the process easy. Once the format is sorted, you move down to the File section so the saved names make sense. Here, you see how the new file name is built. By default, the tool keeps the original file name and adds the preset name at the end. This makes it clear which version is which when you look at the folder. Right under that, you choose how the file date works. You can keep the original date from the old file, or use the time when you resized it. This helps you track which images are fresh and which ones are older. With the setup done, you are ready to resize real pictures. You open File Explorer and go to the folder that holds your images. You click one picture or hold Ctrl and click several. Then, you right-click one of them and choose Resize Pictures. A window opens with a size menu at the top. You choose one of your presets. Under the size menu, the checkboxes control how the resize works. The option that makes pictures smaller but not larger stops tiny images from being blown up and looking blurry. The one that ignores orientation helps keep portrait and landscape shots handled the right way. If you turn on Overwrite Files, the new images replace the old ones in the folder. If you leave it off, the tool creates new copies instead. The option to remove metadata cuts extra hidden information from the file, so the picture takes up a bit less space. Each checkbox gives you a clear trade-off between safety and speed. When everything looks right, you click Resize. The tool creates the new images in the same folder, using the naming pattern you set earlier. You can see the new sizes right next to the originals and keep going with your work. Using PowerToys Image Resizer this way keeps image changes quick while still giving you control when you need it. Remember to like the video, subscribe for more guides, and see you next time.